With laughter and thrills, we'll seize the day. Midday coffee break, just a moment to pause.